Hi, today we are going to see how to loom knit a scarf and headband using comb without any crochet needle. The things which are required for this are yarn and a comb like this which is wide, so first we are going to see how to make the scarf. Take the thread like this and place it at the back of the comb of the first position and make loops like this. So this is the first row. Now again we are going to make a second row, so it's always the second row we go first in the opposite direction and then we again switch the direction. Like this. Then again we make the second row loops. The pattern always goes like into out like that, so it's like always in and out. Now you can see I have also made the second row. Now we are going to take out the first row loops and put it back like this to the back of the comb, and we are going to repeat this process for all the loops. So you can see I have removed all the first loops and put it back, and you can see the pattern forming. Now we are going to again make the third loop. That is the third row loops. And again we are going to take out the second row loops and put it back. It's like always the previous row loops goes back once we put the new row. And you can see the pattern is forming. You can stretch it a little bit. And continue this. So now we are going to see how to close the loops or how to end this looming process. So we take the loop from the last one and we put it on the next one and take out the current position loop to the back, and we continue this. So it's like always the last position loop goes on to the next positions, and we take the current position loop to the back. And we continue this process until we reach the first position. Or until the last position loop reaches the first position. And you can remove the loop and tie it to the rest of the yarn and cut it using the scissors. So make a knot, and you can see I have already made this scarf. So you can see the pattern. You can join the two ends by adding any flower embellishments like this or any stone embellishments. And you can see the scarf is now ready. Now we are going to make the headband. For that we are going to use a much more bigger comb so that we get a wide pattern. So in this also we are going to make the same loop, in and out loop patterns, but I am going to leave one position in between and make the loops. It's like alternate positions we are going to make the loop. And it's the same process, like we are going to take the first position loops and put it back. The process is same to that of the scarf one, but the loops which we make is like in the alternate positions by leaving one position in the middle. So you can see I have made the headband. It takes around like 100 rows, and you can add any flower embellishment or stone embellishment. As you can see I have added it, and you can also add the button so that you can lock the headband. And you can see the scarf and the headband is ready.